Wagwan, I'm there again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Manners. Big up, you see. Alright, now my people, in the first video that I'm going to present to you, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person claimed that some things that you can see in this video was found on children, or I assume they were taken from children. You can also hear when the person mentioned the word school in the video. Now, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might find some of the things that the person said in this video to be surprising. But I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video for yourself and tell me if you believe or if you do not believe the things that the person said in this video. Observe.
Yeah, this is some of his weapon. Plaything. God. My God, these children. See this thing look like a real weapon, girl? Look at it.
Look.
This is some of the thing that we found on children, school children sports. Children. These children of the days. Oh, this gun look like a real gun. Watch. Look at it. There's a pen, a Rambo knife right here. See the Rambo knife? I'll say again, the rum is in the juice.
Yeah, rum.
And this drinking. School children drinking.
Clearly, me hear the word rum. Just see what I go on, my people. Eh? And you know, both them things they will look like a gun. Hold on, let me listen what the person said.
Oh, this gun look like a real gun. Watch.
Okay. So you hear what the person said for yourself about those things that look like a gun. Alright, my people. Me no want to be the one to say certain things, you know. That's why I make sure say me point out certain things and make you hear for yourself, my people. You see me? And all that the what that? Me don't even know if I call that the black thing with the right there. So look right here, so me I show you. You see it? What is that? What that I do? Children if you have them things, then none at all. None of those types of things, not for their school and not for in a children's possession. Them things that I tell them, people. Parents, I'm not going to blame all of you because I know say a lot of parents try them best. You see me, you can't, they behind the pitney PP, clock, and follow them go everywhere them go. You see me? Yeah, them a go out in the world, them are exposed to certain things, but at the same time, do try and see if you can keep a close eye more. You know what I mean? Explain certain things to them because you have some people out there where I lead them astray. I mean, I talk from both adults to children as well. You see me? Yeah, because children can lead children astray. No? You understand? Yeah, my people, so it's another video me I line up right here. So for you, my viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show a motor vehicle with a clamp on a wheel of the motor vehicle. Now, my people, would I like you to listen carefully to some things that a person said in this video so that you can get an understanding as to why the motor vehicle got clamped. And based on some things that a person said in this video, I would like you to tell me if you think it was fair or if it was unfair for a clamp to be placed on that motor vehicle because of where it was parked. I'm going to tell you what I think as well to my people. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen and observe for yourself.
Look here. Alright, them say right there, so where you see the white bus, and there's some park. You see the space empty, I'm a park there. I leave somebody in the vehicle, I'm go down there, so I deliver the fruits. When I come back, I see a vehicle park behind me, them clamp it. So all the parking spot full up and them clamp the vehicle. You understand? Me couldn't move. When I come now for move, the man vehicle clamps so I can't move. Them say I paid parking. I show you, you know. See the sign here? Look how that sign is big and bold. No, that is the sign I see, and the man say one sign is there. I'll show you a sign, you know. I'm not telling a lie now. Look what the sign there and the man some supposed to see. See sign here? Way down here, so. Tell me now, how can we see this as driver?
Really?
If at first you come down here and how would you know that? Eh? And them have people out here at work and nobody come to we and say it's a paid parking. So one of them there pass, none of them no come and say it's a paid parking. You understand? And them say you're supposed to pay and the sign is not properly lit and them say you're supposed to pay. You understand? See there? Right there some park. Falmouth are the worst place in the country. How can you do delivery work and you have to pay to park to deliver in the parish where them you feed them? As delivery driver, and we have feed the parish, I carry goods in the parish and we have to pay for park. You understand? Down there so where the road there when I do the delivery, down there so, them block it off. They come like only tourists alone can go down there so. And we live at Jamaica and we can't drive go down there for deliver goods. So I see here so empty and I park right there so. And then I say I have to pay. See this sign here? Look on the properly lit sign. It says no urinating in the town. This is the only proper lit sign right off here, sir. Right now I chew me now want piss. I really want right now right here, sir. Because this is a parish. Might as well you there. I have a right in front of the place so you pay money. I see the man and I talk to the man and I say to him, say, sir, oh, you say it's a paid parking. Somebody is in the vehicle. Or is a paid parking and somebody in the vehicle and you did not say anything to the person. You know, so when me come for move and the person behind me get clamped, the man clamp the vehicle and I go say, him clamp my vehicle to hold me. No, I'm there right after. I can't move because somebody behind me clamp. You understand? And you clamp my vehicle right in front of me. And if I pay 2,500. See there? 2,500 if I pay for take off that piece of all sitting here. I want to take off a blood clot. Fight. 2,500 if I go pay. And them say the parking right says $100 and the person in the vehicle are run and you gotta tell me say me must pay 2,500 to deliver goods in a nasty Falmouth. Why delivery man must pay to deliver goods in our own country and we are carry goods from we at town coming on the parish? No, tell me that I'm at it. Not what else is this.
Alright, now my people. Straight up and down. That sign, the paid parking sign, that sign needs to be bigger. It needs to be bigger. The paid parking sign should be bigger. I'm a law-abiding citizen, my people. See, I respect the rules and the laws of my country. I respect the rules and the laws and the policies of business places and certain things. That's what I say, but straight up and down. That sign, the paid parking sign, needs to be bigger. Yeah, man. Remember, my people, you have some people who wear glasses, you know. You understand? So I have a whole lot to say about that video. And irL, the sign should be bigger. Alright? I understand the person's concern and why the person, in my point of view, was upset. You see me? You can let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, in the next video that I'm going to present to you, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person gave a warning or warnings. But people, I'm not sure how to explain certain things about this video. But this video is being talked about certain places on social media. And would I like you to take a look at this video, listen to the things that the person said, and tell me what you think also. Alright? Anyways, here's a video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
One wicked flood I come for St. Mary and St. Thomas. He said one terrible flood I come for St. Mary and St. Thomas. Ribaba Kolobo Sata. Eh? Him say a holy parade we are going to get. Eh? Him a give church 10 days for repent. And 7 days fasting we must go on. Eh, Baba Kolobo Sata. Last warning, people. Riba Sata. God say ma fling down him right down at Jamaica. Him a go shake up Jamaica. God angry Jamaica. Him a go send a flood. God say him a go send a flood for St. Thomas and St. Mary. That the Lord give me the word for prophesy. And I come for deliver it. 10 days. Hey, we need for repentance. 7 days fasting, the Lord say. The church and Jamaica.
And I really, my people, I only hope that the things that the person said in that video do not happen in the country of Jamaica, because Jamaica can't manage a disaster right now. Crime and violence is already a big disaster in Jamaica. So, I don't think Jamaica can manage another disaster in my point of view. You see me? Anyway, so the video there, when I just present to you, I get a little buzz on social media, so you can let me know what I think about the video, you know? Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.